Most of the time, GMT went up 42.29 points in a week, which is a big change. Bulls controlled GMTS's recent price movements, which is especially big. The 24-hour trading amount for Stepn is about 688,912,110, which is a very important number. The real price of Stepn right now is 0.62.08 July 2023. In this video, we'll basically walk you through Stepn cost exam for now or for kind of the next week. We'll try to answer these frequently asked questions and clear up some important facts. In a real sense, what does transient cost expectation for Stepn usually mean? GMT, a very smart guess that goes against mainstream thinking about Stepn support and opposition levels, etc., which is generally very big. But before we get too deep into the GMT technical analysis, let's talk about the current economic situation, which goes against what most people think. Market analysis over the last 24 hours has shown that there was a loss of 1.84, putting the total value of the digital currency market to 1,177,11256,1953. In a quiet way, the total trading volume mostly stays at 20,577,638,4440. So the 24-hour trading volume for Stepn is usually around 688,912,110, which is usually a very large number. Bitcoin share is 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54 in a huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value decline of 0.65 coming to 1860.73 during the past 24 hours, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Stepn sort of is drifting at 688,912,110 and a really significant matter. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at 236.78 following a value change of 0.44 inside a similar time period, or so they especially thought. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, really is up by 0.66 and right now exchanging at 47 cents, exhibiting how market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours. There generally was a destruction of 1.84, bringing the very whole digital currency market to 1,177,11256,1953 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77 in Steam, which essentially is genuinely huge. These events show that the market is generally going down, which is especially important right now. A very wide, mostly bad drop can be seen across the crypto market, which is very important. Stepn support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where a trend could change direction, or so they thought. Support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling any further, showing how the current Stepn price is 0.62.08 July 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Stepn cost examination for now or for most certainly 1 week from now, and most certainly tries to answer these frequently asked questions about important facts. What is most definitely the temporary cost expectation for Stepn? A very smart interest in a quiet way is a level at which sellers become really dynamic and stop the coin's price from going up. This shows that the total trading volume stands at 20,577,638,4440. So, the 24-hour trading volume for Stepn is really moving at 600,188,912,110, which is a pretty big number. Most of the time, the support and resistance levels of Stepn GMT are the most important things to look at. Stepn DETH, the price of Stepn GMT, in particular, is at 62 cents, which is an increase of 4.63 in the past 24 hours and a change of 42.29 over the past week. This shows that, for the most part, the following are the support and resistance levels of Stepn GMT. Execution by Stepn. The price of Stpn at GMT is 62 cents, up 4.63 in the past 24 hours. Its value has changed by 42.29 over the past week. This is a very big change. One day's trading volume for BTC is 688,912,110.00 US dollars, while the total market cap is 369,248.71 US dollars. This shows that the current STPN price is 0.62.08 July 2023. In this video, we'll really take you through the Stepn cost exam for now or next week, and we'll try to answer most of these frequently asked questions about important facts. What kind of short-term price prediction for STPN is GMT? A very smart interest in a kind of big way. There are almost 600 million out of 6 billion that can be used. Moving certainly normal amount to in every practical sense break down the future growth of the Stepn, so GMT really rose 42.29 in 7 days, which is very important for the really relative strength list. RSI shows that the GMT coin is close to the oversold zone, as RSI is generally at 37. This is contrary to what most people think, as GTT's Williams percent R pointer is generally at 59.38 for a 14-day time span, showing a neutral situation. A exchange especially signal is possible at this point, given that the crypto market as a whole is currently in a very bad place. The MACD line is still below the especially signal line after a mixed showing. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, approved BlackRock's latest application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. On its website, the governing body recognized that BlackRock had filed an ETF in a section for ETFs filed in the third quarter of the year. Along with BlackRock, a few other top asset managers also sent in papers that were accepted by the SEC. On the site, there were also job applications from Fidelity, WisdomTree Funds, VanEck, Galaxy Digital, and Invesco US. It's important to note that top investment companies like ARK Invest, 21 shares, and Bitwise Invest have already passed this stage with their Bitcoin ETF applications. Key players in the cryptocurrency market have said what they think about the new change. People in the market have all had good things to say about the change on the SEC's website. James Seifert, a research expert for Bloomberg who writes about crypto and Bitcoin, seems to think that the market is already doing well. "We're off to the races," he said, adding that the application from Valkyrie Funds is next. It's important to note that this